I am Dr. Suresh Kannan, Director Prithvi Research Academy for Ancient Scientific Studies. On behalf of bioaromatherapy, we are discussing about the cells in the stomach. Actually, we we know we know that about the stomach. That is like a J like look like J shape. It is a muscular sac, and after that it divided three part regions there from cardiac regions, fundus, body, and pyloric regions. Four regions there. So inside the stomach, it's secreting lot of gastric juice, and the stomach has five types of cells. Okay, so the first one is mucous cells. Second one is regenerative cells. Third one is parietal cells. Fourth one is endocrine cells. Then fifth one is chief cells. Okay. So what are the secretions of mucous cells? First one, the mucus. It secreted mucus. What are the purpose? Actually, this is lubricating the chyme. Okay. Because whatever we have food, that's name is food. When enter to the saliva is mixed with the saliva, it's called porous. When it enter to the stomach, it's called chyme. Okay. So next it will go to small intestine. So it mixed with some mucus. So it will be used for lubricating, and also it prevent for erosion, because there is HCl acid is there. Sometimes is aggravated, the level is increasing, maybe erosion is there. So mucus secretion is be solve that problems. Okay, that is mucus cells. Second one, that is regenerative cells. Okay, it's also called stem cells. What are the benefit of stem cells? You know, lot of the cells die due to high hydrochloric acid. For other factor also, sometimes the cells is die. Okay, so the stomach it regenerate itself. So automatically the stomach has, it is a regenerating cells, that stem cells is there. Okay, the third one, that is parietal cells. The parietal cells, the three main chemical is secreting. Number one is instinctive factors. Number two is ghrelins. Then after that, stop. That is parietal cells. In parietal cells secreting three chemicals. Like first one is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Second one is instinctive factors. Third one is ghrelin. Okay, what are the purpose? Actually, the HCl, you know about HCl, this is very concentrating acid. I think pH level is 0.8. What are the purpose of HCl acid? The HCl acid activate pepsin and lingual lipase, and after that it kill the pathogens. Whatever we ingested pathogens, it kill the ingested pathogens, and after that, you know, hemoglobin synthesis. Okay, for hemoglobin synthesis we need iron. Okay, when what we are having food, okay, that is called ferric ions, that is Fe3 plus, that is ferric ion, whatever ingested iron, so it will be converted into Fe2, otherwise it will be waste product. Okay, so in presence of HCl only, the Fe3 plus, that is ferric ion, converted into Fe2 plus, that is ferrous ion. So the body will absorb. Okay, if HCl is not secreting, the Fe3 plus only going as a waste. Okay, it should be changed the Fe2 plus, ferrous ion. Okay, in presence of HCl only. Okay, then after that it will liquefy the food. It will form the chyme. This is the functions of HCl. The next one is instinctive factors. You know about same hemoglobin synthesis, we need vitamin B12. Okay, that is insect factor secreted in stomach, and it bind with whatever you ingested vitamin B12. It bind with vitamin B12 and carry to small intestine. In villi it will be released in to absorb. Okay, without insect factor also vitamin B12 will not absorb, so the stomach should be working well. Okay, then because vitamin B12 deficiency causes Belsenius anemia also. So that is iron, vitamin B12 is very good for hemoglobin synthesis. Okay, then after that ghrelins, that is like a hormone. This is digestive regulating hormone. Appetites, not digestion. That is appetites only. Appetite regulating hormone is called ghrelin. It stimulated, is secreted in stomach, the parietal cells. Okay. Then fourth one is endocrine cells. Actually, in our stomachs, I think around 20 chemical messenger is forming. Okay, actually, whatever brain secreting some hormone, same hormone producing in gut also. So they called gut brain peptides. Okay, that is example like a substance P, VIP hormone, cholecystokinin secreting GIP, gastrointestinal peptides, and neuropeptide Y. These are the chemical messenger in around 20 chemicals is there. Okay. Then last one is a cheap cells. Okay, that is the main. Because that is like enzyme, like gastric lipase and pepsinogen is secreting. Okay, what are the purpose of gastric lipase? Actually, that is lipase, the lipid, LIP. It is related to fat. So fat digestion is there. Okay, actually the fat digestion started in mouth. Okay, small amount. Then next in stomach, that is minimum 10 to 15% only digested fat in the stomach. Remaining digest in small intestine fat. Okay, it's used for uses for with gastric lipase. After that, pepsinogens. Actually, the pepsinogen commonly that is inactive protein is called zymogen. Okay, that is normally. So with some factor, the removing the some amino acids, it become that is active in stomach. The zymogen is a pepsinogen, that is inactive form. Okay, when with the presence of HCl, hydrochloric acid, the pepsinogen converted into pepsin. Okay, the pepsin digests protein. So most of protein is digested in protein. Okay, so these are the secretion in gastric, mean stomach. Actually, in the stomach per day, minimum 2 to 3 liter per day it will be secreting. Gastric juice only 2 to 3 liters secreted per day. Gastric. So I hope you understand about like benefit of and secretions of gastric juice. So you have to study and you have to care about your stomach. Thank you so much.